Hi, so this is my assignment 2 from starting out with Java. Let's get started with problem number 5. I believe it was the sales prediction. So in the book it gave us the numbers, so this was actually a pretty easy website because they gave us the percent, which I set to double. Then they gave us the total sales, 4.6 million. And then I also did the full amount equals percent times total sales. I believe they gave us the equation in the book. So I just put that here. And then I click start. And then there you go. So that's problem number 5 for sales prediction. Then let's go to problem number 7, which I believe was sales tax. Okay. So for sales tax, they gave us, first of all, I did my scanner class up here in the import, and then I also set it to keyboard. I saw that the book set it to keyboard, so I decided to also just leave it as keyboard. I know you can also switch it up, but I just decided to honestly just stick with keyboard. So then I set my double to amount purchase, state sales tax. So this is the initial amounts purchased right here, and then the state sales tax, which they gave to us, I believe. And then our county sales tax, and then our total tax, and then our total sale. And then I also put it down here, the state tax percent and the county tax percent. I know that I could have just put the state sales tax equals 0.04 up in the first level, but I just decided to do it below because I thought it looked a little bit neater. So yeah, and then I did my scanner class, and then I did the please, enter. I asked the user to input information at next level, and then in here I did my equations. State sales tax equals state tax percent times amount purchase, and then the same goes for the rest. I believe the book gave us the equations too, so I just put that in there. So if you run it, oh, and then in here I'm outputting all the information from over here, and then what the user inputs also. So if I play it, it says please enter amount of purchase, let's say $100, and then yeah, it runs smoothly. Let me see if I can put it a bit up. There you go. Yeah, amount purchase $100, sales tax $4, county sales tax $2, total sales tax $6, and then the sale total $106. And yeah, that is it for the sales tax code. Then the next one was number 9. I believe that one was the miles per gallon. So let's go to that one. Okay, this one I thought was really easy. The book gave us the equation for the MPG. And what I did was obviously first of all do my scanner class, and then I did my double, my miles driven, gas use, miles per gallon. So this is what I'm going to be asking the user, which is why, I said in the beginning, and then the miles per gallon is what the information we're looking for. So then I asked the user, please enter miles driven, next double, and then enter the gallons of gas used. And then once the user inputs that information, it gave me my miles per gallon. So, and then over here, I'm just outputting the information. So if we run it, please enter miles driven. Let's say, I don't know, 130. Okay. Please enter the gallons of gas used. I honestly don't know how many gallons of gas you'd need for 130 miles, so let's just put 5 maybe, I don't know. And then there you go, cars miles per gallon equals 26. Okay, so that's that for the miles per gallon problem. Then I believe the next one was number 12, which was a string manipulator. So let's go to that one. String manipulator, oh, right here. Okay. So this one as well was also a pretty straightforward one because I believe that it gave you an example in the book. So if you just followed the example, you'd be okay with this one. So in here I did string, Fab City, upper, lower. I honestly cannot remember why. Oh yeah, sorry, because it's gonna output the favorite city and then the upper, all in upper cases and then all in lower cases, and then I did the int for the string size and then the character, the letter. Then I did my scanner class, and then I told the user to input the name of their favorite city. And then this is my string over here. And then I put all this information here, and then I'm outputting the information over here. And then if you run it, please enter the name of your favorite city. So I just put Milwaukee, enter, and then there you go. The number of letters in the word Milwaukee, all uppercase Milwaukee, all lowercase Milwaukee, and the first letter of the word Milwaukee. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the string manipulator. Then the next one was number 20, the planting grapevines. So let's go to that one. Okay, so so for this one I set for a double the row length, amount space, line space, and grapevines. Then I set my scanner class, and then once I set my variables right here to a double, I then continue to ask the person. So like, please enter ask the user, sorry, the length of the row in feet, everything in feet. And then please enter the space used by an end post assembly. Please enter the space between vines. This one was also a kind of easy one because all you had to do really was just get the information from the user and then just apply that to the equation. They gave you the equation, so that also made it pretty easy. And then once you have all the information from the user, set the equation, and then I output the information right here. So if you run it, okay, please enter the length of the row in feet. I don't honestly know grapevines, so let's put, I don't know, 60 feet. Please enter the amount of space used by the end post assembly end feet. I honestly don't even know what that means, so let's just put 40. Please enter, oh, sorry, I misspelled right there. Enter the space between vines. I don't know, should we put 6 in feet? Grapevines to plant in each row, and then I put 46, and then it gives you the answer, 46. So yeah, that's the planting grapevines problem, number 20. And then lastly, number 6 was the compound interest. Yeah, that one was the last one, compound interest. Let's go to it. Honestly, I don't really know if I did this one right. Just because I don't know if I set the equation right. I know they gave it to us in the book, but what I think got to me a little bit, what got me a little bit confused was how to put the exponents into Java language. So, okay, first I put the scanner class and then I initialized or set my variables, and then I told the user to, well, this one was, it was pretty easy because it told you, the problem told you what you needed to ask the user. But when I got, what the part that got hard was when you needed to put the equation into Java, which is where I honestly don't know if I did right. I did the amount of money equals principal amount, which is the, amount to start it with, times, I did this the math POW for the exponent. 1 plus the annual interest rate divided by the times per year. And then this is the exponent, or this is what I thought was the right way to write the exponent. So I don't know if I did the equation right. I mean, I know I did all of this right, but just I don't know if I did this right. And this is the most important part, so I don't know. But and then I outputted the results, so let's see what the result is. So please enter the amount of principal originally deposited into the account. Let's say we originally deposited $1,000. Please enter the annual interest rate paid by the account. The annual, so let's say I'm getting an account that gives me 0.70 interest rate. Please enter the number of times per year that the interest was compounded, let's say 3. Please enter the number of years, this is supposed to be enter, sorry about that. Please enter the number of years the account will be left to earn interest, let's say 2 more years. And then amount of money in the account after the specified number of years, 3,519.51. And yeah, that was the compound interest problem. I did wanted to say that for some of these problems, I know that I could have used int instead of double, but like for the first problem, for example, the sales prediction, I could have done 4.6 million int because I know that the user isn't going to input anything because they gave us the information, but I always like to use double, or not always obviously, but I like to, in these cases, these programs, I like to use double just in case, like thinking in the user perspective, if they maybe, have a double amount, even in time, like they could have put like 3.5 years or 3.5. So I just did double just to make sure that it's there for the user. And yeah, that's it. Those are my 6 problems. And yeah, thank you.